So futures trading, we're back in the market. We're gonna extend the talk on yesterday's position again on the S&P 500, and there's a reason why I want to show you what I'm about to show you. Obviously, we talked about two possible positions yesterday. I'm gonna cancel the indicators right here so you can able to see it. We talked about how the price behaves when it reaches supply and demand, and of course we talked about this line that which basically pre-marked the previous week. We wanted to long position, and after it breaks this specific line, obviously it didn't, it's still short, so we keep the short position in our head, and we know that still we're only gonna short it unless it breaks the pattern, basically created a new high. And yesterday we saw the price dropped over here to the major demand area, and we gave two possible positions. I'm going to show it in a 4 hours chart so we can see it a bit better. We was actually right here in the minus supply. I'm going to go to the 15 minutes interval so we can see it a bit more clearly. We was right here, and we are agreed to short position it from here all the way down here. The reason is why, because we was still in a downtrend. We did not see the flip of hands. We did not see the buyers getting back into the picture, although we in a major demand over here. We can see this was the 4 hours demand. We still shorted it possibly to the mid pool or to the end of the pool, and we saw how successful it was. Basically the price behaved as we expected. Over here created a gain of $3,000 on one contract. And the second position was taking a long position from here. I'm gonna mark it over here as a swing trade all the way up to here. Basically, with those of you who swing position, it's still in the position. We can see how the price behave. We put the buy order right here to create a $30,000 gain and risking only $3,000, $3,500. So those of you in a position right now on a 3 contract, you are in already $8,000 gain, which is beautiful. Now your mind is gonna play some tricks, and this is really the hard work. It's a part of psychology of trading to know that your position is good. You are absolutely secure in what you're doing, and you keep on trading. Keep your position open. If you decided to get out of $8,000 and it's enough for you, very good. I'm happy for you. But as we can see, there's still a lot of action going on. We don't see the sellers get into the picture. I want to talk about today's possible position, and we see how the price behaves. So currently right now we're looking on the 15 minutes interval. We saw how this minor supply area now became a minor demand area. We see basically how the price behaves when you reach in those areas. Being traded over here during the night. We're gonna see the night profile right here. So within the night we see the range over here. Basically it reaches between the high value and the low value area. We see today still we're on 9:15 a.m. We see how the price still range within this specific range. So those of you who did not take a position, did not enter position today, we still see it's an uptrend. We wanted to take the long position. Obviously we see how the price behaved. So one possible position is going to be to take the low value area right here, to take a long all the way to the high value, or possibly to the minor supply pool. Take a stop loss right underneath, risking $1,000 in order to create $3,400, maybe possibly almost $3,500. Right, this is first position. Second position is basically to get to this point right here. We want to see the price, how it behaves within the minor supply area. Two possible action can be taken from here. Either we're gonna see a flip of hands. Basically, when you reach this interest area, we want to see a doji candle right here, and another candle that basically cross the doji candle in order to take a short position. We're gonna short position and all the way to 3 possible points. Might be a high value area, POC, or the low value area. And from over here we can see 2 possible positions. One of them is long in it over here all the way until it breaks the head of the pool. So if you are behind time, you didn't get into position right now, it's a bit late. We don't want to take a long position right now, especially if you're day trading. You know you're not going to swing trade it. What you want to do, what you want to see is basically you want to see the price breaches the top of the pool, lands back on the pool, back again, or on the first candle that we the prior candle, the struggle candle was before the breaking candle, and then take a long position at least to the next minor supply area, which is right over here, right here. So favorite position would be to take it from here, right here, long position all the way to this supply area, minor supply area, creating $12,000 and risking $2,000, which is a very healthy ratio. It's almost 1 to 6. That's our trend idea today. Of course, this is as always, I'm gonna put a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Every trader is gonna trade according to his risk management and the way he see it through. With this, obviously, should always consult with your financial advisor. Another exciting news for you today: we are opening the Discord channel for you guys. We're like moving very fast with this Discord. Our goal is basically to move our community from our channels to the Discord, where we're gonna do daily session. Basically, you're gonna be exposed to our trades during the day. So those of you who's interested to get into the group, of course, you can drop a comment or just click the link in the description box. You're gonna link to our community. Of course, there's gonna be a lot of updates, a lot of traders that you guys can chit chat and learn from. A high quality group. So I personally invite you, and as always, I'm gonna cover this position at the end of the day to see how it went and reflect the results. I wish you happy trading. Spread the word, and of course subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next market overview. Thank you.